Hello everyone, I'm Aaron, a birding naturalist, and these are black-necked stilts. Black-necked stilts are found across much of Central and Southern North America and South America as well. And they are birds of shallow waters. Fresh or salt, they like them both, but shallow. They stand on their long, rose-pink legs, and they forage for little invertebrates, little crustaceans, sometimes little fish, gathering them with that long, thin black bill. They're a really beautiful shorebird, and one of the longest leg to body size proportion birds anywhere in the world. And they're only outdone by flamingos. A really beautiful bird of North America. If you like science and nature, like and subscribe for more.